The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Scott County in western Arkansas, northern Polk, P-O-L-K County in western Arkansas until 8:45 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mountain Fork, or 17 miles northwest of Mena, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waldron, Beauchamp, Queen Wilhelmina State Park, Acorn, Black Fork, Y-City, Ridge Mountain, Black Fork Mountain Wilderness, Needmore, Bowles, Parks, Eagleton,